This is Joe Vaclavik from CME Group here in Chicago. The live cattle market again higher here on Thursday. We've had at least 10 consecutive higher closes. It may have been 11 here today. So a very, very strong live cattle market. We've seen a lot of open interest increase here. Open interest has been at record high levels, I believe, for 3 or 4 consecutive days here. So we've got a lot of bets on the table here. Funds have been aggressively long, and I think cattle producers are shorting a market that they see as being very profitable here. So everybody's kind of got their positions on, and again, open interest, the biggest that it's been ever in the record here of live cattle futures at CME. The cash cattle market continues to hold together very, very well. Trade up into the lower 130s here this week, as a matter of fact, which is much better than what we saw last week. And that's part of the reason why we've seen this futures market trend higher, and it's starting to finally catch up to the cash market. Your nearby April futures contract is in the delivery period. We have not seen any deliveries yet because it's still just a little bit below the cash market, so we should not see any deliveries here anytime soon. The funds have been aggressively long cattle market, and this kind of goes along to that first point. They've been pushing this market higher, and you know, something that's kind of interesting, they've been long the spot month. Essentially, that's where you see your big open interest. They've been able to roll into an inversion here, and when they get out of the front month, they're able to buy something you know, next month out or 2 months out a little bit cheaper. So it's really worked out pretty well for them in the grand scheme of things when you consider that this front month live cattle market continues to come up to cash, which has been very, very strong and has held together quite a bit better than a lot of people would have thought. Again, Joe Vaclavik from CME Group here in Chicago.